In this lesson, what we're going to look at is instruments. And this should be a logical step, since what we did previously in the lessons before was talk about quantities and the units for them. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to say what an instrument is, what it's used for, what instruments are used for, and what types of instruments there are. First off, what is an instrument? An instrument is any device that is calibrated to measure a particular physical quantity. And when you say that an instrument is calibrated, we do this by simply having known standards for the values, known standard values for the particular quantity. For example, when we look at temperature and we try to calibrate a thermometer, we calibrate the thermometer by using the freezing point and the boiling point of pure water. And that is 0 degrees and 100 degrees respectively. When you try to say like what an instrument is used for, as I said, it's used to keep track of a physical quantity in the environment, or some physical quantity that we want to keep track of. One of the physical quantities that everybody keeps track of every day is time, and we do this by using an instrument, which is a clock. We can use a stopwatch. These are all devices, those are both devices that are used to measure the physical quantity of time. Another instrument that we can use regularly during the day is a speedometer. When you're traveling or going from one point to the next in a vehicle, we use speedometers to keep track of how fast we are going. This is also an instrument, but it is used to measure speed. Alright, I will encourage you to try and see if you could find a few more instruments that you would use in your regular daily use. The instruments that you would usually see falls under one of two categories. It may either be an analog instrument or a digital instrument, and these will be discussed in a later lesson in much more detail than now. So if you have any questions or comments and you're not able to obtain the objectives at the end of this because you find the lesson is lacking, you can leave me a message or you can send me an email. Thank you for watching.